Hello, my name is David mcglue. This is my demonstration video for the DevOps continuous assessment. In this video, I'll be showcasing my implementation of a DevOps pipeline, which incorporates continuous integration, continuous delivery, and continuous deployment using GitHub, Circle CI, and AWS EC2. Additionally, I will explain security measures, including HTTPS implementation and network access restrictions applied to secure the pipeline. The pipeline starts with version control using GitHub. The project repository contains all the source code and config files. The Circle CI config file is in here as well. That file defines the pipeline's workflow. Each time a change is pushed to the main branch, Circle CI will automatically build, test, and deploy the application to the AWS EC2. Moving over to Circle CI, here we can see the project I made, and here you're able to see the pipelines. Here you can see the pipelines in action, the workflow, consisting of a testing stage and the deployment stage. The test job makes sure the application runs correctly before it deploys. If that passes, the deployment stage proceeds and it'll update the AWS EC2 instance with the latest version of the application. Moving over now, this is the instance being hosted on the EC2 AWS. Currently secured with HTTPS, and the pipeline will automatically update this instance whenever a new commit is pushed to the GitHub. Now I'll move over to Visual Studio Code to demonstrate the CI/CD pipeline by making a change to the application's front end, and I'll modify the HTML file and update the heading maybe. Just do this. Save. Now I'll push the changes to the Circle CI in GitHub. And that went true. Now I'll head over to the Circle CI. And that's there and it's building. So yeah, as soon as I push the changes, Circle CI detects that and automatically triggers the pipeline, run the test job, and then it'll deploy the code to the EC2. And that was a success. Now that the pipeline has completed, I'll go over to the application and refresh, and as you can see, the change happened to it. That just demonstrates the effectiveness of the CI/CD pipeline. Now I'll move on to the security measures. So this is my security group. To ensure security, I've configured the security group rules in AWS with SSH access restricted to my personal IP to prevent unauthorized logins, and only HTTPS traffic on the port 488 or 8443 is allowed for secure communication. And as you can see, if I go over to the page, it gives you the potential warning risk because it's a self-signed SSL TLS certificate, and because that won't be trusted by an authority, the browsers will display a security warning, but the connection is HTTPS. You can see HTTPS at the top there. And this HTTPS protection will protect the user data from man-in-the-middle attacks and other forms of dangerous assaults. Now I'll just show you the security quickly. Apologies. Here it is, security group, edit inbound rules. SSH is only available on my IP. As you can see here, it works. I'm able to SSH in from my git bash using my key. So to summarize, I believe I have successfully implemented a CI/CD pipeline with automated testing and deployment. Security practices were followed, including SSH key-based access, firewall rules restricting unauthorized access, and HTTPS encryption for secure communication. These measures will make sure that the application is reliable, scalable, and protected from any threats. Thank you for watching.